Jayashree here. I'm wondering what this is. Okay, what you're seeing is a chart paper. Now, this time I'm gonna make a rainbow fish out of this chart paper, and it's for a skit my child is going to play at school. And for that, she has to, represent a rainbow fish. And I'm planning to make a rainbow fish out of this chart paper. Um, to make it thick, I'm planning to stick two chart papers together. I've got one over here and I've spread glue all over it. And then I have another roll of chart paper. I'm gonna stick these two together so that it will be thick enough. Okay, there you go. Now I have made a rough drawing of a fish on the chart paper. I'm not very good at drawing, but this is like a crude one because anyway I'm gonna stick glitter paper on this to make it the rainbow fish. So now you see the shape of the fish and the scales and the tail and the fins and everything, and you see that writing on the scales. Since it's going to be rainbow fish, I'm planning to you know uh, stick the scales, the glitter paper, in the right colors of the rainbow. See, I've marked the vib gear. Now I'm gonna cut the fish from the chart paper in the fish shape and then start sticking with the glitter paper. Here you see these rolls of glitter paper I bought. This comes in rolls. I just bought a meter or something of every color. I have all the colors of the rainbow, the indigo, violet, blue, green, red. Now you'll be wondering why the silver color, what is this doing here in the whip gear? But as you see, I don't have an orange, so this is all they had extra. So I thought maybe okay, I'll buy silver and try to do something with it. Okay, now it's time to cut and stick. Now, before fixing the scales, what I did is I fixed strings over here, in three places around the body of the fish so that I can easily tie it around my little girl's neck, waist, and hips so that, the fish stays in her body upright. Now, I did it before fixing the scales so that this marks will be hidden, this holes will be hidden once I fix the scales, and the strings won't be seen from the front. Now that's work in progress. As you see, now I had all the scales fixed in a gear, and you see the tail. Now about the scales, I could cut glitter paper kind of in this shape. You see that? And the way I have stuck it is like, uh, just have a closer look. The scales are overlapping in nature. So put a bit of glue in the base of this paper, then you can stick it easily and it stays like this. And the tail part, what I made is something like this strip. I made cuts all around on one side and put glue on the other end, joint end, and stuck it all over. You see that? And now I'm going to work on the fins, then probably paint the face and the lips and the eyes, and it will be set. And we are done with the fish. I fixed the fins also. All I did is, cut strips of glitter paper and fixed it over the fins in layers, overlapping layers in the rainbow colors. And then the head part of the fish, I gave a metallic copper paint, then accentuated the eyes more with black marker pen, gave some black paint to the iris, and made red lips with black outline, made a black outline, black and red outline over here near the gills, and we are done.